Have you ever felt overwhelmed, like you just need to take it easy for a while? As an English learner, understanding common idioms like this one can be a real challenge. But don't worry, I'm here to help you master the meaning and usage of take it easy. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when I misunderstood the meaning of take it easy. I was at a party, and a friend told me to take it easy on the drinks. I thought he meant I should literally take it easy, like lie down and relax. So I plopped right down on the couch, much to everyone's confusion. The idiom take it easy actually means to relax, not worry too much, and go at a more leisurely pace. Now, let's see how take it easy is used correctly. My friend Sarah was really stressed about her big presentation at work. I told her, "Don't worry, Sarah. Just take it easy, you've got this." She took a deep breath, slowed down, and delivered an amazing presentation. Here are some examples of how you can use take it easy in different contexts. After a long week, I'm just going to take it easy this weekend. The boss said to take it easy on the new employee, she's still learning the ropes. With the big game coming up, the coach told the team to take it easy during practice. Let's take it easy and enjoy a relaxing day at the beach. In her new novel, the author encourages readers to take it easy and not worry so much. The CEO reminded the team to take it easy on the budget cuts, we don't want to make rash decisions. I saw your post on social media, it looks like you're really taking it easy on your vacation. To help you remember the meaning of take it easy, think of a relaxed person lounging on a beach or couch. This visual image can serve as a useful memory aid to recall the idiom's meaning of relaxation and going at a slower pace. The idiom take it easy became common expression in English. That became popular in the early 19th century in the United States. The exact origin is uncertain, but it likely relates to easing up on physical exertion or stress. This expression reflects the American cultural value of work-life balance and the importance of taking breaks to recharge. Interestingly, some regional variations include take it slow or take it cool. But they all convey the same meaning of relaxation. Here are some other idioms and phrases related to take it easy. Chill out, similar meaning of relaxing and not worrying. Slow down, opposite of take it easy, meaning to reduce pace. Go with the flow, related to going at a leisurely, relaxed pace. Understanding how these expressions compare and contrast can help you use take it easy more effectively. Let me show you how take it easy can be used in a sentence. After a long, stressful week at work, I'm just going to take it easy this weekend and recharge. Now, let me rephrase that without using the idiom. After a long, stressful week at work, I'm going to relax this weekend and recharge. I remember a time when my friend Sarah was really stressed about a big presentation at work. I told her, "Don't worry, Sarah. Just take it easy, you've got this." She took a deep breath, slowed down, and delivered an amazing presentation that impressed everyone. One common mistake people make is using take it easy in the wrong grammatical form. Like saying, "I'm going to take it easy on the weekend," instead of "I'm going to take it easy this weekend." Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking take it easy means to do something in a lazy or careless way, when it actually means to relax and not worry too much. It's also important to avoid using take it easy in inappropriate contexts, like telling your boss to take it easy on a tight deadline. Let's test your understanding of take it easy with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom take it easy? A. Relax and not worry too much. B. Work hard and push yourself. C. Go at a faster pace. Correct answer, A. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with take it easy? A. Chill out. B. Slow down. C. Go with the flow. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous to take it easy? A. Relax. B. Stress out. C. Slow down. Correct answer, B. In summary, take it easy is a common English idiom that means to relax, not worry too much, and go at a more leisurely pace. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly improve your communication skills and help you sound more natural in English conversations. Now it's your turn. Share an example sentence using take it easy in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're putting this idiom into practice.